Hey guys, welcome back to Man Time. Today's episode, we have got a big hole in one of the bridges here on the property. It's been kind of slowly eroding away, and I've noticed it more and more. And I've got a friend coming over to try to shoot some skeet in the back part of the property here, and we can't be driving over it. This hole goes all the way down to the culvert down there to the ground to the water. So it's gotten really bad. So we're going to try to use the backhoe for the entirety of this project. I keep saying that if there's one tool to have on the homestead or on the property here, it would be the backhoe. But I keep going back to, like, it's not the best at this or that or whatever. So it's time to put my money where my mouth is, and I'm going to use the backhoe for the entirety of this project. Bringing in dirt, setting it down, using the backhoe to shovel it down that hole and pack it down, and we'll just use the backhoe for the whole thing. So it's going to be all right. So that's going to be the episode today. Welcome to Man Time. Alright, so this part in particular is pretty much the worst part of the usage of the backhoe. I think if you're really wanting to use it as a one tool to have, four-wheel drive is really the way to go. I couldn't afford it, working on a shoestring budget. But we'll try it out here. It's scooping and using the loader here, so let's try it out. Better than expected. Well, that actually worked out really well. This is the second front end load scoop worth. And I was able to fill up both bucket loads pretty darn full. I think I've got enough here. And bonus, I didn't think about this the first time, but I've filled up the backhoe with dirt also. So you've got the front end bucket here, along with the backhoe bucket, completely full of dirt. I'm thinking it makes it more efficient using the one tool. Another thing with the dirt, even with like the four-wheel drive bucket, I used the backhoe to dig out and break up that dirt. I think that's really the key to picking up a good front end load of dirt, no matter what tool you use. So, backhoe to the rescue. Alright guys, that is going to do it for man time today. As you can see there, we used the backhoe. It performed the job perfectly. I couldn't have asked for much more. In loading the front end loader bucket, having that dirt scooped down off the side and broke up, I was able to get in there and get a full scoop, and then also use the backhoe to fill up with dirt. Filled in this hole really nice and easy. You see me there kind of moving the dirt around. The machine will get 99 or maybe 95% of the job done. It is important though to get out of the cab and go over the area with your feet. It's really hard to judge and be as precise as possible inside a cab like that with the hydraulics going and stuff moving around. But coming out, just kicking it around a little bit, getting the high spots down, and getting some of the bigger stuff moved off to the side makes it a good repair. So, oh, one other thing I've got behind me here, I'll show you. I did a video on runoff control a while back, and you can see there the runoff control is actually working to keep this road actually where it's supposed to be at. So the runoff has stopped. Alright, so that's going to do it for man time today, guys. Get out there, have you some man time too.